Stop wasting money on these 7 things. It's time to take control of your finances and make smarter choices. First up, premium subscriptions. Sure, having ad-free streaming is nice, but if you're not using the service daily, it's a waste. Many people sign up for multiple streaming services, gym memberships, or other subscriptions thinking they'll use them regularly, but often they don't. Stick to free versions or cancel those subscriptions you barely use. Review your subscriptions every few months and ask yourself if you really need them. You might be surprised at how much you can save by cutting out the ones you don't use. Next, eating out. Those daily coffee runs and lunches add up quickly. It might seem convenient, but the cost of eating out frequently can drain your wallet faster than you realize. Try meal prepping or cooking at home. Not only does it save money, but it also allows you to control the ingredients and make healthier choices. It's healthier and way cheaper. Plus, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you involve family or friends. Third, brand name products. Often, generic or store brand items are just as good. Many times, the only difference is the packaging and the price. Don't pay extra just for a logo. Do some research and you'll find that many generic products are made by the same manufacturers as the brand name ones. Save your money for things that truly matter. Fourth on the list, lottery tickets. The odds of winning are incredibly low. It's essentially throwing your money away with the hope of a big payout that is unlikely to come. Instead, invest that money in a savings account or stock market. You'll thank yourself later. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Fifth, buying on credit. Avoid buying things you can't afford outright. Credit cards can be useful tools, but they can also lead to debt if not used responsibly. Interest charges can put you in a financial hole. Before making a purchase on credit, consider if it's something you really need or if it can wait until you have the cash. Save up and pay in full whenever possible. This way, you avoid interest charges and keep your financial situation under control. Sixth, expensive gadgets. Do you really need the latest phone or tech device every year? The tech industry thrives on convincing us that we need the newest model, but often the differences are minimal. Most of the time, upgrades are minor. Unless your current device is broken or significantly outdated, it's usually better to stick with what you have. Use what you have until it genuinely needs replacing. Repairing and maintaining your gadgets can extend their life and save you a lot of money in the long run. Lastly, impulse purchases. Those little buys here and there can add up to a significant amount. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and buy things you don't really need. Always make a shopping list and stick to it. This helps you stay focused and avoid unnecessary purchases. By planning your purchases, you can keep your spending in check and avoid buyer's remorse. All right, those are the 7 things poor people waste money on. Focus on cutting these expenses and you'll start seeing your savings grow. It's all about making mindful choices and prioritizing your financial well-being. Remember, every little bit counts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time. Stay smart with your money.